little bit breezy.
All right, I'll start walking. You can do that. You can bring
All right.
the chainsaw.
Well, I have pulled the snowshoes out. This snow is really, really wet with temperature around 40 degrees. That's 40 above 0 Fahrenheit. Very breezy out here, so I'm going to pack trail down. We've been trying to finish cleaning out this little section for quite some time, and the weather is really cooperating right now. Very, very rare weather. So, I take that back. For this particular date and time, we've seen it warm earlier, we've seen it warm later, but this particular second week of January, it's done this a few times in the past, but I don't think it ever got into the 40s.
Where's my hoodie? Can you make sure my put this up over here? Is it still up?
There you go.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. Yeah.
The seat is all nice and soft now. I can bounce on it.
Yeah, I see it. Oh, now to get the snow dog on a sidetrack. The frame you see here is going to be a little workshop. What?
Be very careful over here. I've had a chunk of snow ice just fall on my head down the back of my shirt. It's inside.
Uh-oh.
Yeah, uh-oh, it's right.
Oop, falling ice and snow. Well,
I need help. I'm so frozen.
okay, we'll save you from this catastrophe. Hold on.
See that?
Yes, I see that.
Oh!
Well, it's a little more winter-like today than it has been the last few days. A couple of days ago, our high temperature was 43 degrees above zero. That is the warmest it has ever been this time of the year. And today it's 19 degrees above zero, which is making it a little easier for today's project, which is this monstrosity. This is Michelle's Skidoo. Our buddy Kevin from Experience Alaska, he and his daughter brought it out from Fairbanks for us 3 years ago. It's pretty much set here since. Cannot get it to run. Do not know what the problem is. Everything's been changed on it. Well, almost everything. And today the project is, if I can get around here, I am replacing the starter. Problem is on these Skidoos, the location of the starter is a pain to deal with. As you can see, well, maybe you can see, you have everything in the way of the bolts that hold the starter in. Now, I'm probably going to have to remove the exhaust system and this head covering. I don't know yet. I'm about to take the very last bolt out, which is right there. Oh, that was a pain to get to. And it's a hex bolt, by the way, so that made it even harder to get to. And we're going to see if I can slide it out and then slide the new starter in once I have the wiring hooked up for it. now to get it dug out of the ice and snow and get it moved to an area where I can easily work on it. Well, with a little bit of effort, I finally got it broken free from the frozen ground. Now have it in a position to where I can easily work on it. Well, 15 degrees below zero, and I finally have the battery in, the new starter is in, and now it's time to make our first test. Now, I will feel much better with Michelle on this machine than prior to it because she could not full start it. Well, thanks everybody for watching. We want to invite you to join us again for another episode. We will be updating you on Michelle's adventures, plus a few other adventures that we have planned. Catch you next time.